Hey guys, this is day number 12 of the 90-day challenge for me to go live on Facebook for a few minutes each day. I wanted to let you know what I'm doing today. I'm cleaning and organizing my brain. Not really, but I'm cleaning and organizing things around my house so that my brain will feel more organized. I don't know about you, but I can't work in a messy space. It makes me crazy. And I hear people all the time that have clutter everywhere and they think, oh, I know where everything is, so this is great, but it's not really the way to function. So what happens is they can't find what they need, it takes them longer. Sometimes they can maybe put their hands right on it, but it definitely is not the way to work. Hey, Kayla. I am just going around my house cleaning out closets. We do this a couple of times a year. We do it in spring and then we do it again in the fall to prepare for the holidays because I can't stand to go through the holiday season with anything messy or disorganized. And so I've been cleaning today. In fact, we cleaned out a closet in our hallway that had a lot of medical things in it from when PJ was in the hospital. So we are going to donate that stuff, and also a lot of medications that are either expired or belong to PJ, and so we need to turn them in. So we have that ready to turn into the Walgreens will accept those. So we are trying to get organized, trying to straighten everything up. I'm going to post some pictures for you in the comments so you can see how crazy I get with this. I have a label maker. AJ says that Home Depot or Office Depot is like my Disney World. I go in there and I love all the gadgets and everything. And I've had a label maker for years, so I stick labels on everything and organize everything. But it helps to have a carpenter husband who can build shelves and organizers for you. That's what we did in our office, and I'll post a picture of that so you can see how my office closet is organized. We did that a while back, but we keep rearranging things in there. And I did the same thing today, or at least organized using some little shelving that I bought in the cabinet in there to make everything easier to find. One little tip that I can give you is that if you go to Dollar Tree, there is a lot of inexpensive, $1 a piece baskets and different types of containers that you can use to get yourself organized. So go for it. I love doing that kind of stuff. In fact, we have a closet in our kitchen that has nothing but baskets and bins and things that I keep in there that I use to organize. And every once in a while I'll notice a closet or a drawer that's in disarray and I'll go get some bins and see which ones will work best for that. But definitely get organized, get your space organized, get your life organized so that your brain will be organized and you can think about things that you want to do. That's my tip for the day. If it's worth anything to you, like and share it. If you can, help me out by going to my Facebook page that I've posted this video on and rating me. I appreciate that. Kayla says she's not so organized. Well, it takes a lot of patience and practice to get organized, Kayla. But I've been doing this. I've been a little bit obsessed with being organized since I was a little bitty kid. I used to do that in my bedroom when I was a little kid. So I'll continue that into my adult life. I'm afraid I might have made my family a little crazy with it. Whenever Josh sees me doing that kind of stuff, he always asks me if somebody's coming over. And I'm like, the house can be cleaned other than when somebody comes over. But I like everything organized and I'm working on it here. I'll post some pictures for you guys in the comments. And shout out to my friend Lola Dart, who is one of the most amazing organizers you ever want to meet. Okay, guys, I will talk to you soon.